What if the tools you need to run your business more efficiently do not cost a single dollar? Not a free trial. Not a limited demo. Genuinely free, fully functional software that thousands of small businesses are using right now to manage customers, run projects, communicate as teams, and market to their audiences without paying monthly subscription fees. The SaaS industry has shifted significantly in the past several years. Freemium models have become the dominant go-to-market strategy. And according to OpenView's 2024 SaaS Benchmarks report, over 58% of SaaS companies now offer a free tier of their product. The quality of those free tiers has never been higher. Today, we are going through the best completely free SaaS tools available for small businesses right now. And by the end, you'll have a full toolkit that can run your business without paying monthly subscriptions. Let's start with the foundation of any business system, your customer data. HubSpot CRM, free forever. HubSpot's free CRM is one of the most powerful no-cost tools available to any small business on earth. It stores up to 1 million contacts with no time limit and no payment required. You get full sales pipeline tracking, automatic email logging when connected to Gmail or Outlook, a meeting scheduling link, contact and company records, deal tracking, and basic reporting, all at zero cost. Salesforce research shows that businesses using a CRM see average sales increases of 29%. HubSpot gives you that system without a monthly fee. The free tier does not expire. There is no credit card required to access it. It is a complete functional CRM that most small businesses will not outgrow for years. Once your customer data is organized, the next step is communicating with them effectively. MailChimp. Free up to 500 contacts. Email marketing delivers the highest return on investment of any marketing channel, returning an average of $36 per dollar spent according to Litmus's 2024 benchmark data. MailChimp's free plan makes this accessible from day one. At no cost, you can store up to 500 contacts, send up to 1,000 emails per month, build automated welcome sequences, segment your audience, and access performance analytics on opens, clicks, and conversions. The drag-and-drop email builder requires no technical skill. For small businesses just beginning to build their email list, the free plan covers everything they need to establish a functioning email marketing system. Paid plans start at $13 per month when your list outgrows the free tier. Now let's move from marketing to execution, how your team actually gets work done. Trello, free for most small teams. Project management should not require a premium subscription to function effectively. Trello's free plan is one of the most generous in the industry and covers the needs of most small business teams completely. You get unlimited cards, up to 10 boards per workspace, unlimited power-ups per board, and unlimited storage up to 10 megabytes per file, all at zero cost. The Kanban board system is intuitive enough for any team member to understand within minutes. Over 2 million teams use Trello to manage their work. Nothing gets lost in email threads. Every task has a clear owner, deadline, and current status visible to the entire team at all times. The free plan handles this completely. And while Trello handles tasks, you also need a place to organize your knowledge and processes. Notion, free for personal and small team use. Notion's free plan provides individual users and small teams with unlimited pages, unlimited blocks, and the ability to share content with up to 10 guests, all at no cost. This covers wikis, project planning databases, meeting notes, personal knowledge management, and basic team documentation. Over 30 million people use Notion globally. For small businesses that need one organized place to store their company knowledge, track active projects, and document their processes, the free tier is entirely sufficient for the first several months of operation. The Plus plan at $8 per user per month adds unlimited guests and more advanced database features for teams that eventually need to expand beyond the free limits. For day-to-day collaboration and communication, you'll need a reliable workspace. Google Workspace Essentials, Free collaboration. While Google Workspace's full business plan starts at $6 per user per month, Google offers free access to Docs, Sheets, Slides, Meet, Drive, and Calendar through personal Google accounts for very early-stage small businesses that cannot yet justify any software spend. Using Google's free consumer tools provides access to best-in-class document collaboration, video conferencing for up to 100 participants, and 15 gigabytes of cloud storage at absolutely zero cost. Over 3 billion people use these tools. When the business grows and a custom domain becomes important, upgrading to a paid Google Workspace plan is seamless because your team already knows every tool in the suite. And when communication needs to happen face-to-face, meetings become essential. Zoom. Free for most meeting needs. Video conferencing is non-negotiable for any small business operating with remote clients or team members. Zoom's free plan supports unlimited one-on-one meetings with no time limit and group meetings with up to 100 participants for up to 40 minutes per session. For most small business meeting needs, this is entirely sufficient. The 40-minute limit only applies to group meetings, not one-on-one calls. Over 300 million daily meeting participants used Zoom at peak adoption, and it remains the most universally recognized platform in business communication worldwide. Nearly every client, partner, and vendor your small business encounters will already have Zoom installed and ready to use. But communication isn't just words. Visuals matter too. Canva. Free design for every business. Professional design capability used to require either expensive software or an expensive designer. Canva's free plan changes this completely. With access to over 250,000 templates covering social media graphics, presentations, proposals, email headers, and business cards, any team member can create polished professional visuals without any design background. The free version includes a photo editor, a library of free stock images and icons, and the ability to download designs in multiple formats. Canva has over 170 million users globally as of 2024. The free tier covers the design needs of most small businesses indefinitely. Canva Pro at $12.99 per month adds brand kits and premium assets for businesses ready to invest in consistent branding. And finally, the glue that connects everything together, automation. Zapier, free automation to start. Automation does not require a paid plan to begin. Zapier's free tier allows up to 100 automated tasks per month across single-step workflows connecting over 7,000 apps. For small businesses just beginning to automate their processes, 100 tasks per month is enough to test and implement your first critical automations, connecting your contact form to your CRM, routing new leads to Slack, or adding form submissions to a MailChimp list automatically. Users report saving an average of 10 hours per week once automation workflows are fully implemented according to Zapier's own research. The free plan lets you build and prove the value before committing to any paid tier starting at $19.99 monthly. 8 genuinely free tools that cover CRM, email marketing, project management, documentation, collaboration, design, video conferencing, and automation. HubSpot for sales. MailChimp for email marketing. Trello for project management. Notion for documentation. Google Tools for collaboration. Zoom for meetings. Canva for design. Zapier to connect everything. You can build a complete operational system for your small business today at zero monthly cost. These are not stripped-down demos or tools that disappear after 14 days. These are real free tiers that millions of businesses operate on permanently. Start with the tool that solves your biggest current problem. Sign up today and have it running before this week is over. The infrastructure your business needs is already free and waiting. If you're ready to run your business on a $0 budget, Hit that like button and subscribe for more SaaS secrets. I've also put together a zero-cost tech stack guide with extra setup tips and all the links to these free tools in the description below. Go grab it and start building for free today.